Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in my channel today. I bring to you how to make your oha soup the most simplest way. So our meat and stockfish and dry fish, they are nicely washed. So we'll be cooking them in its own juice without adding any water at this point. So now I added our blended scotch bonnet pepper, some salt to taste, and next we'll be adding our bouillon cubes also. Feel free to add it much later, but I decided to add it now so it will add more flavor and taste to the meat. So I'll be covering the pot for it to cook or simmer in its own juice. Moments later, I'll be adding water, the amount of water that is needed to cook the soup properly. So they are now boiling thoroughly. So next, I'll be going in with our palm oil. Yes, if you're still watching at this point, thank you. So now we are adding our thickener, that is our cocoyam, pounded cocoyam. This will serve as the thickener. Next, the black stuff you're seeing, it's called the fermented locust beans, and this is our uziza seed. Yes, uziza seed. I was lucky I found it. And next is the sauce, pounded crayfish. Yes, guys. So I'll stir to combine everything thoroughly. Yes, and next I'll be covering the pot for it to cook. Moments later, I'll be checking. You can see the whole cocoyam, they've all dissolved. And I'll be adding next our uziza leaf. Yes, you will be wondering why this is added first before the oha leaf. This is more stronger than the oha leaf. The oha leaf is much tender. Yes. Moments later, I now added the oha leaf. If you want your oha leaf to retain its green color, please do not overcook it at all. Yes, just give it a quick stir. Remember, your soup is already very hot, and the hotness from this soup will cook your oha leaf very well. So do not overcook it. Do not overcook it at all for it not to turn black, because before you know it will be overcooked, and before the soup even gets finished your oha leaf has turned black. Please avoid this. It gives more joy, it gives more pleasure to see your oha leaf retain its green color. Yes, guys, for all my returning viewers, I'm saying thank you. To all those who have continued to watch my video, thank you so much. I love you. See you again next time. Bye.